I'd like to introduce you to our Masterforce portable. We've been making the Masterforce now for about 2 years. It comes in several configurations. We start out with a 150 psi SureFlow pump with two-stage vac motors. You can also get the model with a heater installed. You can also get the 150 psi version with two three-stage vac motors installed. And you can also get it all automatic with the automatic fill and chemical feed and automatic pump out. The next one that we make is a 500 psi model using a high-pro 1.5 gallon per minute pump. This model also has the options of having automatic fill and chemical feed, automatic pump out. It has capacities of 13 gallons in the solution tank, 11 gallons in the waste tank. There's a place in the front here for holding your chemical if you have the option for the automatic fill and chemical feed. We use a DEMA valve metering system. The metering tip that comes with the machine installed is a purple tip that takes 2 ounces for every 5 gallons of water going into the solution tank. That seems to be the standard dilution in our industry. It comes with a full set of metering tips so you can vary the metering necessary for the particular chemical you're going to use. It comes with 50 feet of an automatic pump out hose, which is really 1.25 inch diameter vacuum hose. A lot of people are using this machine as a restoration tool for automatic pump out. It has a little giant sump pump in the waste tank, which is capable of 20 gallons per minute. You can literally empty your swimming pool with this machine. It's a great way to empty and get standing water out of a basement. Comes with 50 feet of an automatic water hose hookup for the automatic fill and chemical feed, and then 25 feet of vacuum and 25 feet of high pressure solution hose. The front of the machine down here on the panel has a pressure gauge, a relief valve which is adjustable from 0 to 500 psi. On the 1200 psi model, it's adjustable from 0 to 1200 psi. And we also have a power prime valve on these machines. If for any reason the pump loses its prime, by merely depressing the lever here on the top of this power prime valve and holding it down for 30 to 60 seconds, you'll immediately restore the prime to this unit. We're using a 12-inch foam-filled wheel that acts like it's pneumatic, but it never goes flat. On the 500 psi model, we're using two three-stage vac motors, which gives you almost 15 inches of mercury. On the back of the machine here on the panel for the switches, we have a switch for the pressure pump, a switch for each vac motor, and a switch for the automatic pump out. We have a cord wrap built into the body of the unit here. The electric cords are 25 feet. This particular model has to have 2 electric cords. We recommend it be plugged into 20 amp circuits. Accessible for any particular maintenance you might have on the machine. It has 2 large heavy-duty clasps here that are undone, and the machine opens up, and inside is the 500 psi high-pro pump, a very efficient 1/2 horsepower motor that runs on about 5.2 amps, and this machine has 2 Lamb 3-stage vac motors in it, producing almost 15 inches of mercury. So the machine is well designed for ease of maintenance and ease of getting around. The weight on this particular machine is about 145 pounds. With the large 12-inch wheels, it's easy to get upstairs and downstairs or loading it into